KUKA offers everything you need for press automation. We offer standard QUANTEC and FORTEC robots, KUKA.PressTech software, and high-performance press linking systems with robust gearboxes to ensure the highest availability, all backed by proven reliability and quality. Both the Ready2 PressLink Transpresser and the Ready2 PressLink Cobra are complete systems based on high-performance components. The Ready2 PressLink Transpresser offers an arm with a servo-controlled rotational axis on the gripper flange. It features high cycle speed, stable and non-turning part transfer, a payload of 80 kilograms, and an 8.5 meter reach. The Ready2 PressLink Cobra is a proven technology concept. It offers kinematics with up to 5 axes supported by Bilsing automation, inline and stable part transfer thanks to special carbon fiber design and high motion profile generation of KRC4. Excellent flexibility, a small footprint, and premium options like 2x spreading and 2x tilting movements that are freely programmable. Easy and fast gripper change thanks to special quick coupling system, payload of up to 100 kilograms, and output up to 15 parts per minute for press distance from 5.2 to 8.5 meters. Both systems require less configuration, compatible components, thorough testing prior to shipment, one-stop shopping, and global support. KUKA's press linking portfolio wouldn't be complete without KUKA.PressTech Basic software. PressTech Basic talks to all aspects of the press line, helping you achieve the highest possible productivity through complete control over your line. Special features like looking ahead speed control, robot follows robot under the press, as well as optimizes press start and online program adjustments, guarantees highest possible output. KUKA.PressTech coordinates the presses and robot motions of the entire line in a self-optimizing manner. KUKA SimPro software can also be used to simulate the press line and associated cycle time to ensure project outcomes are reached. KUKA is ready to deliver solutions for your entire press automation efforts. To learn more, contact us today.
Orange Intelligenz.